From a bedroom comfort perspective, here is what matters most. Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. What if I told you there's a game-changing way to hang your kids' clothes that's about to become your new best friend? Introducing the One Touch Quick Release Hangers by Smile Mode. A total rock star in the world of children's clothes hangers. This top-rated and best-selling product has been flying off the shelves, with thousands of customers singing its praises, and for good reason. When you use the One Touch Quick Release Hangers, you'll notice how effortlessly you can hang and remove clothes without having to struggle with annoying clips or hooks. The smooth texture of the hanger glides against your fingers, making it a breeze to use, even for the little ones. You'll also appreciate the soft click sound it makes when you're done, giving you that satisfying feeling of a job well done. In real life, these hangers have been a total lifesaver during chaotic mornings when you're trying to get the kids dressed and out the door on time. They're especially great for delicate or special care items that you don't want to damage, like your kid's favorite superhero cape or their brand new school uniform. The result is a neatly organized closet that's easy to navigate, even for the most rummage-prone kids. What really sets the One Touch Quick Release Hangers apart from other products on the market is their ability to make the daily chore of doing laundry and putting away clothes a whole lot less painful. By making it easier for your kids to take care of their own clothes, you're teaching them a valuable lesson in responsibility and self-reliance. So, if you're looking for a simple yet effective way to streamline your morning routine and make your life easier, look no further than the One Touch Quick Release Hangers by Smile Mode. Trust me, you won't regret it. As always, links in the description. 1. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you like the video.